Hello class 3. Hope so you are in a hope and fine conditions. Today we are going to do the lesson 2 of the grammar book, that is subject and predicate. You must be knowing that a sentence is made up of subject and predicate. Subject is the object which does the actions and predicate describes more about the subject. Underline the name of the people or the animals who are doing the action. The boy kicked the ball. Who is doing the action? The boy. Meeta ate an apple. Who ate an apple? Meeta. We like our teacher very much. Who likes the teacher? We. The elephant ate a bunch of bananas. Who ate the bunch of bananas? The elephant. My aunt dances beautifully. Who dances beautifully? Aunt. Each sentence has someone who does the action. The rest of the sentence tells us something about the person or the animal that does the action. The person or the animal doing the action in a sentence is called the subject of the sentence. A subject usually comes at the beginning of a sentence. So subject is a main part of the sentence. The part of the sentence that explains or describes the subject or tells us more about what the subject is doing is called predicate. The predicate always contains a action verb known as verb. Underline the subject, underline the predicate, circle the verb. We ate aloo parathas for lunch. So what is we? We is the subject, ate is the verb, aloo parathas for the lunch is the predicate. The dog ran after the cat. The dog is the subject, ran is the verb, after the cat is the predicate. Bobby played with his friends. Bobby is the subject, played is the verb, with his friends is predicate. We ate bread and butter for breakfast. We is the subject, ate is the verb because it's an action verb, and bread and butter for breakfast is predicate. Father is painting the wall. Father is subject, is painting the wall is predicate, and painting is verb. We build sand castles on the beach. We is subject, built is verb, sand castles on the beach is predicate. The students watch the magic show. The students are subject, watch the magic show is the predicate. And here the verb is watched. Riaz rode on his new bike. Riaz is the subject, rode on his new bike is the predicate, and rode is the verb. Now we come to the second exercise. Identify the highlighted part by choosing the correct option. The sun was shining brightly. Who is shining brightly? The sun. So the sun will be subject. The puppy chased its tail. Now it's what? It is neither a subject nor a predicate. So we have to take the neither option. The children played in the puddles. Who were playing in the puddles? The children. So the children is the subject. My brother wrote a letter. Letter is what? A predicate. The postman knocked at the door. The postman is subject. Mohini opened the window. Open the window is predicate. The bee flew over the flowers. Who flew over the flowers? The bee. So answer is subject. The bird flew away. Flew away is predicate. She enjoys going to the cinema. It's neither a subject nor a predicate, so we have to take the C option. The green frog jumped into the lake. The green frog is the subject. Hope so that subject and predicates are clear to you. Thank you.